say,
welcome to the Empire State Boat. And if I just use these scissors to cut this red wire, we'll go. Snip.
whoa, this is cool. What's this right here?
Oh, that's the missile launcher.
Holy crap!
Don't worry. It'll if you press that, it'll launch a missile straight towards us.
Well, straight from us, I think.
Yeah.
Oh my god, we sunk a U-boat. Dang.
Let's go ram into it.
We're gonna sink doing that.
Pretend I rammed into it.
Oh my god, we're starting to sink.
Pretend I probably sinking.
I'm gonna call a distress. No response. Dude, are you serious right now?
And that.
Bro's swimming without a life vest.
Because I'm the best.
Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god. Here, let me save you. I'm gonna save you. Come here, on the other side of the boat. Oh, I saved a person. To the cruise ship. Oh my god. Can't believe it. Pilot rammed into a U-boat that was already sinking. Oh my god. I mean, there's a cruise.